When it comes to hand blenders, there are many choices. What is the best hand blender for you? You want a hand blender that can puree soups and sauces without getting stuck in the bottom of your pot, whip cream with ease, and blend up nuts into butter. We have done reviews on all of the top-rated hand blenders so you don't have to. In this video, we will cover the best 5 hand blenders. We are select all products depends on quality, reliability and customer satisfaction. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Number 1. Breville BSB510XL. This product is a high-end blender. It has a unique bell-shaped base that reduces the suction for greater control and efficient blending. The ergonomic pistol-like grip with trigger operation makes it easy to use. This version also comes with an immersion depth of 8 inches, which is great for large quantities or tall pots. The Breville BSB510XL Control Grip Blender features a revolutionary shape plus internal ribbing to reduce the suction for greater control and efficient blending, especially when working with liquids. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 59765. The Hamilton Beach 59765 Power Stick with attachments is a versatile kitchen tool that lets you blend, mix, whip, puree, and chop with one 2-speed multi-tool. The hand mixer has 3 attachments that fit on the power stick: stainless steel blending wand, stainless steel whisk attachment, and 3-cup chopping bowl attachment with stainless steel blades. Chop right in the bowl, no need for another bowl. Handy features include the fact that all attachments are dishwasher safe. This immersion blender comes with a 225 watt of blending power. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 3. All-Clad Cordless Rechargeable Stainless Steel Immersion. The All-Clad Cordless Immersion Blender is the ultimate kitchen tool for mixing and blending. The motor has variable speed options so you can control your consistency, and it's cordless for ultimate portability. The immersion blender will mix just about anything you can put into a container, including hot soups, sauces, smoothies, and more. It's also great for pureeing fruits and vegetables to make baby food. The blade is removable for easy cleaning by hand or in the dishwasher. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 4. Cuisinart CSB179 Smart Stick Hand Blender. Cuisinart's Smart Stick Hand Blender is a great tool for mixing ingredients in your favorite recipes. The 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft makes it easy to blend, chop or puree ingredients, while the comfort grip handle provides a secure hold while you cook. The 300W motor has enough power to crush ice, whipped cream, and more. Cuisinart's CSB179 Smart Stick Hand Blender is perfect for making smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. This blender features a powerful 300-watt motor. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 5. Braun MQ7035 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender. The Braun MQ7035 Multi-Quick Hand Blender with revolutionary Easy Smart Speed technology and 500 watts of power opens up a whole new world of cooking possibilities. With the world's first active blade technology and patented Powerball Plus system, it blends faster and finer while reducing suction and splashing. It comes with a blending beaker and the Easy Click Plus accessory system to let you switch from the included blending wand, whisk, and 2-cup chopper. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links on the description. If you have any questions about these 5 products, you can comment below. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.